Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today, it's John Whitefoot. And remember, if you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head directly to www.incomeinvestors.com. You can also find the link in the description below. Contrarian plays with tremendous long-term potentials are great, but not everyone has the risk tolerance for them. For those that like a stock with a predictable cash flow, rising share price, and a safe dividend, look no further than today's income pick, SFL Corporation. Look no further than today's income pick, SFL Corporation Ltd, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol SFL. John?
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, we've actually been following SFL Corporation for a while now here at incomeinvestors.com. When I looked at SFL Corporation back in January 2023, like virtually a year ago to the day, it was trading at $8.53 per share and paid a quarterly dividend of 18 cents per share. Now, fast forward a year, SFL stock recently hit a new all-time record high of $12.10 per share for a gain of roughly 42%. And its dividend is also on the rise at 0.25 cents per share.
Thanks to robust outlook, shareholders can probably expect SFL Corporation to hit record levels over the coming quarters and continue to rise its dividends. So, John, tell us a little bit more about what SFL Corporation do. Its name doesn't really give away any clues.
Yeah, you're right. Like the ambiguously named SFL Corporation Limited is actually an international marine infrastructure company that owns and controls $4.1 billion portfolio of 73 vessels and rigs. Now, while many marine shipping companies specialize in specific industries, like oil and gas, SFL Corporation's fleet diversity gives its legs through multiple market cycles. The weighted contract duration on its ships portfolio is close to something like 7 years, and approximately 94% of its gross revenue comes from long-term contracts, charters. This provides it with stability in both revenue and operating costs. It also helps juice its reliable high-yield dividend. Now, just for reference, some of its customers includes everyone from Volkswagen to Merck to Coke, Phillips 66, and ConocoPhillips, I think.
I see that in the third quarter of 2023, this company reported net income growth of 73%.
Yeah, they did quite well. For the third quarter ended September 30th, 2023, SFL Corporation announced that revenue climbed 24.5% quarter over quarter to $204.8 million. Meanwhile, third quarter net income was up, as you noted, 73% sequentially at $29.3 million or 23 cents per share. Adjusted EBITDA came in at $122.4 million, and it ended the quarter with $118 million in cash and liquidity.
And here's something that income hogs will like. This company declared 79th consecutive quarterly dividends.
Yeah, in early November, the company's board declared its 79th quarterly dividend and raised it to 25 cents per share from 24 cents per share. This works out to an annual dividend of $1 per share for a current yield of 8.31%. The company's dividend payout can fluctuate depending on market conditions. So thanks to its diversified fleet, it has continued to pay a frothy high-yield dividend. The company reduced its payout to save cash during the worst economic crisis in 100 years, from 35 cents per share to 15 cents per share, and it began raising its dividend again in the third quarter of 2021 and has raised it 6 times since then.
And let's talk a little bit about SFL stock as well. You had mentioned earlier that the stock was up 40%. Tell us a little bit more.
Yeah, SFL Corporation stock has been on a tear basically since cratering during the 2020 health crisis, which for SFL lasted until the end of 2021. Now, since then, however, it has rallied more than 140%. And recently hit a new record high of $12.10 per share on December 5th of 2024. Now, as of this recording, SFL stock is up 29% over the last 6 months and roughly 40% year over year.
John, thank you so much for your analysis. Just to recap, SFL Corporation Ltd is a diversified marine shipping company with highly predictable cash flow from long-term contracts. It also has a big $3.6 billion fixed revenue backlog. Tested through multiple market cycles, this has allowed SFL to pay a dividend every quarter since going public in 2004. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We will be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.